Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best 3D printer for polycarbonate. This 3D printer is especially for users who need a reliable and durable 3D printer that can handle polycarbonate materials. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you, we've compiled a list of the top 3D printers for polycarbonate on the market today. The output is clean and precise, and the prints are highly detailed. We've also tested each printer to ensure it can handle all polycarbonate materials. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is our QIDI Technology Pro 3D printers. Are you looking for the best 3D printer for polycarbonate? Then the QIDI Technology XCF Pro 3D printer is perfect for you. This innovative printer is specially designed to handle high-temperature filaments like carbon fiber and nylon, and it's also ideal for printing polycarbonate. With its industrial-grade manufacturing, dual Z-axis, and industrial guide, the XCF Pro achieves high precision and fast printing, making it an ideal choice for professional and hobbyist use. The XCF Pro features a single extruder system that uses high-temperature alloy material and dual-gear extrusion, ensuring accuracy and long service life. Plus, its upgraded XYZ structure utilizes industrial slides and a PEI printing plate to solve the common problem of model warping. And with its new automatic intelligent leveling mode, the XCF Pro makes printing more accessible. But that's not all. The XCF Pro also comes with professional filaments specially developed for high-temperature printing, including carbon fiber, nylon, and polycarbonate. So whether you're a skilled engineer or a DIY enthusiast, the QIDI Technology XCF Pro 3D printer is the perfect tool for bringing your ideas to life in stunning detail. So if you want the Pro 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is FLASHFORGE 3D printer. When printing with polycarbonate, you need a printer that can handle the high temperatures required to melt and extrude this challenging material. That's why I recommend the FLASHFORGE 3D printer as the best option for printing polycarbonate. This sturdy machine features a heated bed and an enclosed chamber to maintain a consistent temperature and prevent warping or cracking during printing. Its dual extruders allow printing with multiple materials or colors, giving you more design possibilities. One of the standout elements of FLASHFORGE is its user-friendly interface and software. You can easily adjust settings and monitor your prints in real time, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users. But what sets the FLASHFORGE apart is its affordability. Compared to other high-temperature 3D printers on the market, this machine offers excellent value for its capabilities. If you want to take your 3D printing to the next level and work with polycarbonate, the FLASHFORGE 3D printer is a fantastic choice. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is official Creality Ender Pro 3D printer. You introduced the official Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D printer, the perfect machine for taking your printing game to the next level. With an all-new design and significant upgrades over previous Ender 3 models, this printer delivers exceptional performance, particularly with notoriously difficult materials like polycarbonate. Equipped with the powerful Sprite Pro Direct Drive all-metal dual-gear extruder, the Ender 3S1 Pro can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius with its included brass nozzle. High-temperature materials like nylon and carbon fiber composites are easily within reach. The printer's new spring steel bed also ensures excellent adhesion and a smooth surface finish, making it the ideal choice for even the most demanding prints. But the Ender 3S1 Pro is more than just a powerful printer. Its 6-minute assembly time, CR Touch Kit, and 4.3-inch touchscreen make leveling and operation easy and intuitive, while features like print resume support and filament runout sensors provide peace of mind during long prints. With its dual Z-axis lead screws and 32-bit silent board, you can expect consistently great shots with fewer jams. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer. Introducing the LOTMAXX Shark V3 3D printer, a versatile, reliable, and high-performing machine particularly well-suited for printing with polycarbonate. With its modular design and numerous features, this printer can easily handle a wide range of printing tasks. The standout segment of the Shark V3 is its innovative G-sensor auto-leveling system. This printer can provide unparalleled accuracy and detection sensitivity by supporting gravity-sensing conduction leveling, resulting in more precise compensation and highly accurate prints. The result is a level of precision that is hard to beat. The Shark V3 is also a modular design printer that can handle various printing tasks. Along with 3D printing, it also supports laser engraving and is compatible with a range of filaments, including PLA, PLA+, ABS, and flexible filaments. Its large printing size of 9.25 by 9.25 by 10.43 inches gives you ample space to unleash creativity. The Shark V3's ultra-fast cooling system ensures that your prints stay cool while printing, and its unique modular nozzles design allows for dual-color printing. Furthermore, its ultra-silent TMC2208 stepper drives for X, Y, Z, and E axes are made in Germany, resulting in highly accurate and silent prints. If you are interested in the amazing 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is Anycubic Cobra Auto-Leveling 3D Printers. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can handle polycarbonate filament, the Anycubic Cobra is worth considering. This printer is easy to assemble and has a one-click auto-leveling system that adjusts the bed in just a few seconds. This means you won't have to waste time manually leveling the bed and can get to printing faster. The best attribute of the Anycubic Cobra is its direct drive extruder, which provides greater control over filament and ensures ultra-smooth printing. The printer is also compatible with various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU flexible filaments, allowing you to experiment with different materials. The innovative printing platform is also worth mentioning, combining a PEI coating, spring steel plate, and magnetic sticker. This ensures good adhesion and makes removing printed models from the bed easy. Overall, with its large printing size, intuitive features, and reliable performance, the Anycubic Cobra is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a 3D printer that can easily handle polycarbonate and other filaments. So if you want to buy the fast 3D printer for polycarbonate, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for polycarbonate. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.